journey long before me lies. Farewell, friend, I hear the call, the ships beside the stony wall. Foam is white and waves are grey, beyond the sunset leads my way. Foam is salt, the wind is free. I hear the rising of the sea.
Farewell, friends, the sails are set, the wind is east, the moorings fret. Shadows long before me lie, beneath the ever-bending sky, but islands lie behind the sun, that I shall reign ere all is done. Lands that are to west of west,
Where night
is quiet and sleep is rare.
guided by the lonely star, beyond the utmost harbor bar, I'll find the havens fair and free, and beaches of the starlit sea.
Ship by ship I seek the west, and feel